Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to connect Expensify to QuickBooks online. This integration makes it super easy to sync your expenses and keep your accounting up to date. So let's jump right into the video. First, open your Expensify on your web browser and log into your account. You can use any web browser that you want. For now, I will simply use the Google web browser and log into my account. After that, you can simply tap on your profile and go to settings and select the policy you want to correct. From there, you can simply go to your account section and go to profile, and here you can change any policy that you want. As you can see here, you can do it right from this website. Under the connections and integration section, click connect to QuickBooks online and you will be redirected to QuickBooks to log in and authorize the correction. After you have logged in into your QuickBooks account, select how you want your expenses to sync with QuickBooks. You can choose categories, employees and accounts to match your QuickBooks setup. Once done, save your settings. Then you can test by submitting an expenses in Expensify, then checking if it appears in QuickBooks online. They both are similar type of apps, so it should be very easy to do it. And that's it guys, your Expensify account is now connected to QuickBooks online. If this video helped you out, hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials and comment below with any questions that you might have. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.